Imagine a world where artificial intelligence can reason, solve complex problems, and make decisions like humans. Welcome to the world of DeepSeek, the revolutionary AI model that's changing the game. DeepSeek is a cutting-edge AI model developed by a team of expert researchers and engineers. What sets DeepSeek apart from other AI models is its unique architecture and training approach. DeepSeek uses a novel combination of reinforcement learning and self-supervised learning to develop its reasoning capabilities. This approach allows the model to explore and learn from its environment, much like humans do. So, how does DeepSeek compare to other AI giants like OpenAI and Google's Alpha? The answer lies in its ability to reason and solve complex problems. DeepSeek outperforms its competitors in various benchmarks, including math, code, and reasoning. DeepSeek's advantages are numerous. It can reason and solve complex problems, learn from its environment and adapt to new situations, make decisions like humans, and outperform other AI models in various benchmarks. So why is DeepSeek important? The answer lies in its potential to revolutionize various industries, including education, finance, and healthcare. In education, DeepSeek can help students learn complex concepts and solve problems. In finance, DeepSeek can help analysts make informed decisions and predict market trends. And in healthcare, DeepSeek can help doctors diagnose diseases and develop personalized treatment plans. So, how can you apply DeepSeek in your industry? The answer lies in its flexibility and scalability. DeepSeek can be integrated into various systems and applications, including chatbots and virtual assistants, predictive analytics and machine learning models, and decision support systems and expert systems. So why are other AI giants scared of DeepSeek's emergence? The answer lies in its potential to disrupt the status quo. DeepSeek's unique architecture and training approach threaten to upend the traditional AI landscape. According to AI experts, DeepSeek is a game-changer in the AI world. Its ability to reason and solve complex problems is unparalleled. DeepSeek's emergence is a wake-up call for other AI giants. They need to rethink their approach and innovate to stay ahead. In conclusion, DeepSeek is a revolutionary AI model that's changing the game. Its unique architecture and training approach make it a powerful tool for various industries. As DeepSeek continues to evolve and improve, it's clear that it's here to stay. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and join the conversation to learn more about DeepSeek and its applications.